Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Life of Anumbondem. On my channel I talk about my journey as a practical nursing and lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I do my knotless box braids. I'm trying it for the first time, so I don't know if I'm gonna succeed or not. I have my expression collection and this is color 60. I have 2 packs, so I'm gonna use those 2 packs. No, it's 3 packs, 3 not 2. I'm going to use 3. So I have my scissors, my cutters. So I'm going to cut it into 3 parts. 3 parts. Hope you're all doing great. 3. So I'm going to pull this so that the edges is going to be smooth. This thing takes a long time. This is my worst part. This is a workout actually. I'm going to start on the side. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm positive, and please can you wish me luck? So let's wait and see what's it's unfolding. Hair clip. So guys, let me know on the comment section what you think or how you think the first strand is gonna look like. Do you think it's going to be great or? So this is the first time I'm trying the knotless braids. I have been doing other braids myself, but I have never done the knotless box braids. Yep, so let's see how it goes. Yay! It doesn't look bad for my first try. So guys, just let me know in the comment section, do you think this looks good? So I'm about to do the second strand right now, and because it's going to take a long time, like if I show you every strand, so I'm not gonna do that. So later on I'm just gonna show you how my hair turned out And the thing is, this took me almost, I think, 6 hours. Yes, it took me almost 6 hours. Well, I took a lot of breaks